Sorry guys, I didn't mean to end my last video. You can see this kind of blew out. Diet ginger soda everywhere. This is fun to do. See this? Shaking. To prove to you that it's not the same thing as my last video and I didn't just edit the commentary. Mailbox. See? And then I'll go like that. Oops, it's not going. Ooh, top. I'm scared. Yes! That is the stuff. Oh, not too bad we're out. Oh, that's nasty, dude. Seems I have not very durable bottles. Oh, I was gonna drink that. Yeah. Yep. Okay, you guys just comment, rate, and subscribe to my videos. And they're not even good. Just still give me something to. Maybe I'm gonna try and earn some money, get a nicer video thing than I put. But yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe, and share, please. Alright, bye.